Hello and welcome to How to Build 100 Times Self-Confidence course, a step-by-step guide to improving self-esteem, removing self-doubt and pursuing your dreams confidently. My name is Mert Brian and I'm your self-confidence trainer. I worked for various multinational companies as a marketing manager for the last 15 years, and I delivered numerous courses to hundreds of employees on self-development, building communication skills and self-confidence. I find great pleasure helping people become more successful in life via sharing my own thoughts, experiences and learnings. Self-confidence causes people to take notice and listen to you more. More people want to be friends with confident people. It helps you to land better job offers and job promotions, makes the opposite sex more attracted to you. But most importantly, it allows you to enjoy a much better life than you have ever lived. Confidence is a skill. It is something that can be created if you don't have it. All these techniques that are going to be covered in this course will make your life massively better. At the end of this course, you will understand how to manage your inner negative voice and turn it into positive, which will boost your energy and motivation. You will also learn to see and assess yourself in a more balanced and objective way. You will understand what cognitive errors and limiting beliefs are and how they hold you back subconsciously from living your dream life. You will realize how to attain a loving mindset both towards others and yourself. You will learn how a perfectionist mindset can damage your life and how to overcome it. I will share tactics and strategies on how to manage external criticism and how to express your needs and wants in full clarity so you achieve more in life. I will share with you a model that is very effective to discover and to prioritize what you want in life, set goals and plans to achieve that without any hustle. And finally, you will learn visualization and hypnosis techniques to boost your self-confidence to the top. I designed this course for people who are interested in understanding and applying the strategies that most successful people, including celebrities, sports people, actors, actresses, entrepreneurs, and business people utilize to build their self-confidence skill to get more results in life and become happier. If you would like to learn all those skills, join my course now. Let's get started. I would like to see you in there.